Sure. Here's a 400-word script about the 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood, suitable for a voiceover, video narration, or historical presentation. Opening music, soft 1950s jazz playing, narrator, warm, enthusiastic tone. In the golden age of American automotive design, few names captured the spirit of post-war luxury quite like Cadillac, and in 1955, one model stood at the top of the prestige pyramid at the Cadillac Fleetwood Series 60 Special. This wasn't just a car, it was a rolling statement of elegance, power, and progress. Measuring over 18 feet long and weighing nearly 5,000 pounds, the 55 Fleetwood was Cadillac's flagship sedan, a favorite among executives, celebrities, and even presidents. Under the hood, it packed a robust 5.4-liter V8 engine producing 250 horsepower, impressive numbers for the time. Mated to Cadillac's smooth hydromatic automatic transmission, the Fleetwood delivered a ride that was both effortless and refined. It wasn't built to race, it was built to glide. But the real story? It's in the details. The 1955 model year saw the Fleetwood receive subtle yet important styling updates. The body was longer, lower, and more aerodynamic. A new, wraparound windshield gave it a modern, panoramic look, while massive chrome bumpers and iconic tailfins, just starting to reach skyward, hinted at the flamboyance that would define late 50s design. Inside, luxury reigned supreme. Plush broadcloth or leather upholstery, power windows, and an advanced heater defroster system came standard. Buyers could add extras like power seats, ultronic eye headlight dimmers, and even air conditioning, a rare indulgence in 1955. It was a car that made no apologies for being opulent, and neither did the people who drove it. The Fleetwood was more than transportation, it was a symbol of success in mid-century America. It represented an era when craftsmanship mattered, when design was bold, and when the open road was full of promise. Music swells slightly. Today, the 1955 Fleetwood remains a sought-after classic and testament to Cadillac's reputation as the standard of the world. Big, beautiful, and built to last. The 55 Fleetwood isn't just a car from the past, a broken bar, it's a piece of American history on four wheels. Fade out with soft jazz. Let me know if you'd like it adapted for a specific use, like a YouTube video, a documentary, or a museum audio guide.